Please listen. Please listen. As I was explaining, going crazy can be handled separately. Getting scared can be handled separately. But when these two joins, it is a deadly combination. Like alcohol and sleeping pills. Deadly combination. Never make decisions when you are scared and going crazy. Do not make decisions when you are going crazy and scared together. Just lock all your doors and windows and sit in your house. Understand? Sometimes people come and tell me, Swamiji, in my life all windows and doors are shut. I tell them, God shuts all doors and windows when there is a storm outside. Whenever you are scared and going crazy, there is a huge storm outside. Shut all your doors and windows and keep quiet. Don't make any decisions. Those moments, you just need to keep quiet without making any decisions. Because any decision you make when you are scared and going crazy, to repair it will take at least 25 more years. Means almost half of your life. Understand, it is when you are going crazy and scared, you start building this pattern. I am the mind, I am the body. Look back when you started that pattern, when you first time went crazy. When you went crazy first time and started building this pattern, I am the body, I am the mind, and started strengthening this pattern, I am the body, I am the mind. Relive them. Relive those crazy moments and relieve. I tell you, relive those crazy moments and relieve. You will see so much of completion, Advaita growing in you. Understand? More and more completion, more and more Advaita will grow in you. You cannot make the Advaita grow in you by repeating, I am not the body, I am not the mind. No. By torturing your body and mind, I am not the body, I am not the mind. No. I tried. That is why I am telling you, it doesn't work. I cut my thigh. The moment I heard the Advaita Satya from my Guru, I am not the body, means you are beyond pain, suffering, and all that. First crazy thing I did, I went and cut my thigh. Because I have tried all these methods, that is why I am telling you, those methods don't work. Then of course, I had pain. I was rushed to hospital for first aid. Then I went to my Guru. Then he told me, I appreciate your sincerity, but that is not the path. I tell you, you need to dig out when you started feeling, developing the pattern, strengthening the pattern. I am the body, I am the mind. And relive and relieve, relive and relieve, relive and relive those crazy moments. Scary and crazy put together. Crazy moments. Understand, in your life, you don't need 1000 crazy moment to destroy your life. 10, 20 is enough. It will reach you where you are now, or lower than where you are now. Relive and relive, relive and relive, relive and relive those crazy moments of your life when you started building and strengthening the idea, I am the body, I am the mind. Listen, I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am the pure consciousness, cannot be practiced by repetition, it can only be experienced by completion. It cannot be practiced by repetition, it can only be experienced by completion. If you are scared of a place, by not going there, you are not going to solve your fear. Same way, just by jumping in there, you are not going to solve your fear. It is finding why you developed this fear, when you developed this fear, and completing with it is going to solve the fear. If you jump into that place about which you are afraid, you may lose the fear for a few days about that place, but you will be afraid of some other place. You will never get rid of the fear itself. For example, you are seeing a rope in the night, dark as a snake. If you get scared and run away, you are not going to solve the issue. Same way, if you jump on that rope and find out it is not snake, it is only rope, you are going to only solve the issue here. Means this rope is not snake. You will understand only that much. But you will never get rid of the pattern of seeing rope as a snake. You can get rid of that only by getting into the root and completing. Understand, I am taking the Vedanta to the next step. The whole Vedanta is nothing but the snake and rope. I don't know who created that simile in the first. The whole Vedanta, read any Vedantic book. It is just Rajyusarga Nyaya, that's all. Snake and the rope. I am telling you, neither by running away nor by jumping on the rope, you are going to solve the issue permanently. Even if you jump on the rope, you will understand this rope is not snake, but you are not going to get rid of the pattern of seeing ropes as snake. Seeing ropes as snake, you will get rid of it only when you look into the fear pattern which got developed. When you started developing this pattern, this going crazy, when you started developing this pattern of going crazy, I wanted this to be the buzzword in the Facebook today. Complete all those moments of going crazy in your life, you will become living Advaiti. Understand? This is today's quote for Facebook. Complete with all the moments you go crazy. Complete with all the moments you went crazy. You will become a living Advaiti. You will live Advaita. That's all. When you are going crazy, don't make decisions, do completion. When you are going crazy, don't make decisions, do completion. Don't eat when food is ready, eat when you are hungry. Don't eat because food is ready, eat because you are hungry. Don't make decisions because you are crazy. When you are crazy, do completion. Don't make decisions. Because all decisions when you go crazy will be out of compulsion, not out of completion. Decisions out of compulsion are the chains which binds you. Decisions made out of compulsion is life sentence. Let your decisions be out of completion, not compulsion. When you are going crazy, anything you decide, it will be out of compulsion, not out of completion. So the essence of today's satsang, sit and pen down the earliest moments you went crazy. Earliest moments to the latest moments you went crazy. It can be as many as 1000 or as little as 25 or as little as only once. I don't know, it is up to you. Only when you dig out you will know. Pen down all the moments you went crazy and complete them. You will become a living Advaiti. You will live Advaita. Relive those craziest moments and relieve. You will become a Jivan Mukta. You will be living Advaita. So with this, I'll move to the Kalpataru process. All the participants from the sacred city Bhagyanagara who are here, for Kalpataru Darshan, understand, all the residents of this city, you are all sons and daughters of Lakshmi, because it's Lakshmi who is the presiding deity of this city, Bhagya Lakshmi. Mumba Devi, Durga, is the deity of Mumbai. Chennakeshava, Vishnu, is the deity of Chennai. Kali is the deity of Calcutta, Kali Ghat. I hope and pray soon this city gets back to its original name, Bhagyanagara. Bhagya Lakshmi is the deity of this city. You are all sons and daughters of Bhagya Lakshmi. We'll start the Kalpataru process. Please pick up paper and pen. Pen down one thought you want to cause as reality and all the incompletions around that thought. complete with all the doubts, fears, incompletions and drop. Hold on to the space for what you want to create. Relive and relive all the craziest moments of your life. Complete with them. Hold on to the space for what you want to create as reality. Namah Shivaya. Let your Kundalini Shakti be intensely awakened. Fill your being, body and mind. Whatever space you are carrying, let it become reality. the space you carry, let it become reality. Tathastu.